We're on the Euro Yen on the 60-minute time frame, and we have a flag pattern that's set up. Now I'm going to go ahead here and run through the high time frame analysis. Just as a reminder, for the first week, because we're launching the website, everybody that has registered, we're going to be sending out trade signals, or trade ideas as I like to call them, more than trade signals. Talk through the entire analysis, why we're getting involved with it, and then the actual rules match up to the educational material that's in the website. And throughout the course of the week as well, you will be getting the updates for things like the quick hit videos and things like that. So anyway, on the Euro Yen, I've been looking to short this for a while. So we are in trend. We had a move lower, a pullback, a move lower, a pullback, a move lower, a pullback. This is the outside return, and we put in a lower low, lower close yesterday, so I am expecting price to come down to retest structure lows. Let's go and take a look at the 240. Nothing here other than a very directional move. However, pay attention to this right here. We have not come down to retest the closes of the candles. Okay, so this journey is still continuing and still has room to go lower to test as a minimum the closes of the candles. 60-minute time frame, we have our flag pattern. So how do we define a flag? Well, we have very specific rules for it. I do go over this in the educational material, but spotting them can be difficult. So we're looking for a swing in the market. We're looking for a directional pole. We draw the pole out based on the closes of the candles. We duplicate it and move it up. We need a minimum of 4 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. My entry would be this red candle right here. However, I've been away from my charts, but if you drop down the time frame within channels, which is another section within the educational material, I show you how to spot channels early and how to get involved, and one of the key signs is a double top right here. Now this does 2 things. 1, it confirms that the structure level is held. 2, it provides us a lovely place to get our stop just 9 pips above the high here. Now, a couple of other things that we use for confirmation. We need to come into a minimum of a 382, and also we do need to come into structure for this to turn, and typically we turn at the wicks, and we have the wicks right here. Just this very minor level of structure, which just so happens to be producing that double top. So in terms of this trade then, well, this is going to be a 1 in 1 out, playing for a 127 extension. Overall, we're looking bearish here, and we know that we have room for the market to come lower. So from our swing low to swing high, we throw a 127 fib on. That's our target. We want to be front running. I'm actually going to be front running by a full 4 pips. I want to make sure I get filled, and I've just messed that up. Let me get that back on there correctly. Just there. So what does that mean then to our risk and reward? Well, it means that we are risking just 25 pips here for a reward of 57, so over a 2-to-1 reward to risk. And if we put a structure level on at where those targets come in at, they're coming into our structure level, so we don't even need to shoot past structure. So again guys, all of the rules and how we spot these and how we work them and all the different entry techniques we run through in the educational material. And we're back for the update on this trade, and a nice winning flag pattern here for 57 pips. Just had a little bit of news out which gave us the final push that we wanted, but here we had a classic double top that appeared within the wicks on the higher time frame, giving us a first chance entry and a very nice reward to risk here of just over 2-to-1. Lovely winner.